Juicing for detox. Have you ever felt sluggish, tired, or just not on your A game? If so, you may be suffering from a toxin buildup. With so many toxins and impurities in our environment, it's becoming increasingly difficult for our bodies to maintain its natural balance. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss juicing for detox. What is a detox diet? Detox diets are often used to detoxify or clean the body and remove toxins. These can come in many forms, including pesticides, preservatives, and chemicals found in household cleaners. Detoxing is also a great way to boost your immune system after an illness, especially if you are weakened by medication. A detox diet is usually followed for a short period of time, typically between 1 and 14 days. Some people might also do a juice cleanse, where they only drink fruit or vegetable juice without any other food intake during the desired time frame. Why do people go on detox diets? One reason people go on a detox diet is after a holiday or vacation. Another reason might be after a heavy night out celebrating, eating and drinking unhealthily foods to excess. In order for a juice detox diet to be effective, it requires dedication, but it is definitely worth the effort. To be as effective as possible, you should also remove sugar, caffeine, alcohol, and food additives. How does juice help with the detox process? Juicing is a great way to clean the digestive system out. The processes of juicing take out all the tough, insoluble fibers, leaving behind only vitamins and minerals in liquid form. Juicing recipes to try for your next cleanse. Red apples are rich in antioxidants and help digestion. Red grapes contain resveratrol, which can improve heart health while adding sweetness to this drink. Add lemon for added detox benefits. A great cleansing juice to try is ginger, beetroot, pineapple, and pear. Ginger is also great for reducing inflammation. If you don't like the earthy taste of beetroot, swap it for cucumber for a really refreshing detox juice. You can also swap the ginger for a slightly milder taste of turmeric. How long will it take to see results with a juice cleanse? For best results, you should have no solid food for the length of time you are on the cleanse. If you want to see results in your body, I recommend doing a 1-day or 3-day cleanse. Do not opt for any longer than this, as the body needs protein and fat, which juices do not provide. For the definitive detox, try adding herbs to your juices. These are often used for healing for drug-free medication. So that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.